Right, and today's episode of Silly Noises, we have silly noises. Pretty much all coming out of that case there. All that's happening over here is we're getting the steady clock pulse from there. You can see this light down here indicates it. And then it comes across into a little mixer, out to the scope and output up to the speakers. All the rest of that is not doing anything at all. Let's try and get a better sound. Shaking hands, sorry. So we've got two lots of sound there. We've got antiphon up here, which is, if I switch that off, it's just producing basic tones. And if I switch it back in, it's actually self-modulating it. So I've got some of the outputs coming into here and being mixed back through into the input for the pitch to give frequency modulation, which probably won't mean anything to you, but there you are. And then down the bottom we've got elements doing its funky thing and its tone being changed with another low frequency oscillator there, adjusting the geometry knob. Which is probably more information than anyone cares about.